ఇలాగా
We all live in the same colony. Srikanth and nephew Bharadwaj and Forum Lapai.
వైట్ ఫ్రేమ్ వెళ్ళిపోమను వైట్ ఫ్రేమ్ ఇక్కడ వద్దు బ్యాక్ వెళ్ళిపోమంటారు అక్కడికి వెళ్ళిపోమను స్ప్రెడ్ అవ్వండి వద్దు ఇక్కడ వద్దు క్లూజ్ వెళ్ళిపోండి క్లూజ్
దగ్గరలో ఉంటారని అక్కడే ఉంటారు.
రాత్రి ఓపెన్ వచ్చింది 1 వీక్ గ్యాప్ ఇక్కడ కాల్ ఫోటో
ఇలాగా
సార్ కొద్దిగా ముందు సరిపోతుంది నేను చెప్పాలి.
జమ్మకు అలాగే వెళ్ళిపోతున్నారు.
వారి కాకపోతే మీడియాతో మాట్లాడి ఆ యొక్క కుటుంబానికి కూడా భరోసా చాలా బాగా అందులో కొంచెం ఫ్లో
కుద్దు ముది
మరి ఆపే
ఏం చేస్తారు అమ్మా
ఉన్నాడా
One sporadic incident happened. It has shaken the masses. Under sentiments, who are they to attack us? Is it right? Even what is the sin they have committed? They have gone to Kashmir to witness, to spend some time. It is part of India. So there is a sentiment all over the country now. Now don't bring caste, religion, all these things. That is not correct approach. Some political parties also, beyond political partisan activities, attitude, you have to come out. That is very needed hour, needed time.
Your warning.
If you kill, that is the last day for them. That is the message you have to give.
And as a strong nations.
No, I am very clear. India is very strong. Nobody can shake India. Nobody can threaten India. It is a covered activity. Anybody can come, hit and go. That is only one time they can do that. But that is not permanent. Even we are having very strong leadership and also very decisive decisions they are taking. Anybody will do this type of activities, they are going to pay heavy price.
The timing is
No, what I am saying, you are talking all wrong way. It is our country. It is our land. Who are they to come as terrorists? Who are they to do all these things? Then they don't have any place on earth. Terrorists, they don't have any place on earth. I am telling you very clear. You cannot play. If now Chandramouli was killed, Masoodan was killed. They are all collapsed. They are all feeling so.
mic on. Dilip, mic on, mic on. Yeah. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Nara Chandrababu Naidu has arrived here in Visakhapatnam. He is in fact going ahead. He's spoken with the family of Mr. Chandramouli. In fact, Chandramouli was one among the two terror attacks that had taken place and he brought India before the last day for now. In Visakhapatnam with the family of Mr. Chandramouli, an entire gang of people, and as you can see from the Chief Minister saying, yes, we are there. We control police for
निखिल बैक करा निखिल రోడ్ వెళ్ళండి మీరు అడ్డున్నారు
మీ సైడ్ మీకు అడ్డొచ్చాను
వెళ్ళాలండి
సార్ ఇస్తున్నాం సార్ ఫోటో ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಕಲ್ ಬಲೆಗಳು ಸಾಕು ಕೊದ್ದಿದೆ ಸಾಕು ಕೊದ್ದ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್
duty and also duty of the world global community to prevent terrorist activities and then and countries who are all supporting terrorism, they have to ban supporting them. Then only all these things will happen.
So there's a lot of hate.
So one thing is very clear. We are all born in India, irrespective of caste, religion, everything. Everybody should stand in support of this government. We are all one. It is terrorist activity. Terrorists, they don't have any discrimination. Tomorrow they will do anything. The safety, security and progress of this country is important. Now we have to express our solidarity and support and also we have to stand with Honorable Prime Minister for dealing very stubborn. Otherwise, if it is a weakness, then everybody can play their own game. Then there won't be any security of them.
So where do you think
And also the way they have done by separating men and women. Before women, they killed them. And also indiscriminately, they have done all these things. It is just like passing bullets. And also the way they have done, very brutally they have done for the last 4 years. Under the able leadership of Honorable Prime Minister, they are able to control terrorism. And also there is a peace is prevailing in Jammu and Kashmir. There is development is happening. And the empowerment activities are going on in a big way. Total, so many people from different parts of the world are going to Jammu and Kashmir. Same way from Visakhapatnam, 3 couples. They went there. One eyewitness told me, President, before his eyes, this Chandramani was killed. You can imagine all these things, very pathetic. They don't have any right. That is where I am saying, even anybody is supporting, there is not correct. Nation is first. Politics is second. If you wanted to create politics for everything, that is not the correct approach.
Alright, thank you so much, sir.
Nobody is having any right to kill Indian citizens. That is what I am saying.
So the time is also quite convenient, don't you think? Because the Vice President of US has arrived here. We're seeing several people, just elections happening in Jammu and Kashmir.
So what I am saying, timing is very, very, I can say, not vulnerable, awkward. They want to create now Vice President United States is here. Our Prime Minister has gone outside. Recently, elections have went on very smoothly.
Yes.
There is a democratic government. Now they have done. What is the message they want to give? Is it not our response to be very strong and very decisive, very firm? We will be very firm.
Did it call for the other nations to boycott these kind of terrorist organizations, stand with India in a sort of
Our
message?
Prime Minister is doing wonderful work on that front. Not now. From the beginning, he is mobilizing the support of all nations against terrorism, against terrorist activities. That is what he is doing from the beginning. Now it has happened. Now, our government, you know very well, they are very clear. Nobody is having the right to enter India and do this stuff.
Sir,